Hi, and welcome to this 15-minute arms and abs workout. All moves will be performed in a standing position, so there's no floor work. We will do a move for 45 seconds and then 15 seconds rest in between that I will demonstrate the next move. I'll be using one dumbbell today, 5 pounds. That can be challenging in some of the moves, so always start lighter. I'd recommend maybe starting with a 2 or 3 pound weight or a dumbbell. There is no warm-up designated for this workout, so go ahead and click this little link above if you are not already warm for a quick 5-minute warm-up. Okay, if your muscles are warm, let's go ahead and get started. Weight in your right hand. Feet are placed underneath our hips. Roll the shoulders down and back, and it's an ab workout, so we're going to engage that core right away. Bicep curl up, and then overhead press is our first move. Let's go ahead and start that timer. Here we go. Bicep curl up and press. And because we're just working unilaterally here, we actually have to use our core to stay straight. So the ribs are closed, they're knitted down, and the belly button is pulled in. And we're breathing. Some moves will switch sides within the 45 seconds, and some we're going to do 45 seconds on one side and then 45 on the other. So after this one, we're simply going to switch sides. And rest. All right, 15 seconds rest, shake it out. Same thing on the other side. Check that posture, small bend in the knees. And as always, with a timed workout, it's great to go at your own pace. Bicep curl, and then press up. Make sure that you're doing 2 separate movements here. Curl first, then press up. If it's tricky or difficult for your shoulder, you're just going to press up as high as you can go to your range of motion. If you have a lighter weight, you might be going faster than me, or if you have a heavier weight, maybe slow it down. Excellent, and rest. Okay, switching the weight back to that right hand. Take your stance a little bit wider, and we're going to bend our knees and twist knee towards the other knee, keeping a proud chest. Then we come up and lean to the side. So a little twist down, come up, side lean. Twist, up, side lean. Really important here to keep the core engaged. That way we're using our core, those strong stomach muscles, instead of the lower back when we're reaching here. It's not a big bend here. It's not a huge squat. Just bending our knees to give us a larger range of motion. Twist that torso. Nice job. Same thing other side. Switch that weight. Maybe do a practice one. Again, twist other side. Come back up. Proud chest, so we're not rounding the back. Twist and lean. It's okay if that hand or weight doesn't make it to the knee. You just go to your range of motion. Twist from that torso. Nice work. Okay, next we are going to do a high knee with a challenge of a figure 8 passing underneath the knee. With this, we are going to round the back, and we're we're gonna go nice and slow. If you want more of a shoulder workout, you can bring that weight up higher. Switch. And switch. Passing under that knee. As we pass, little crunch forward with that torso. And doing it slow gives us a balance challenge here. Exhale as we crunch forward. Maybe just do this one time. And relax. Okay, next, also switching sides on this one. We're gonna pass the weight up overhead. We're gonna bring the weight down, squeezing the elbow down and back, and we switch, and we squeeze down and back. Join me. Switch, a little lean with that torso, and it helps to go a little bit further if your knees are bent. If you wanted to involve the legs, you could do a squat here as well. Really want you to focus on pulling the elbow down and back. Belly button's pulled in. And once again, if this is uncomfortable for your shoulders, you can pass the weight in front of your chest. Squeeze. Almost there. And relax. Next, holding that weight at the ends with both hands, we're simply going to twist, bringing that knee up and twist. No big deal if the elbow doesn't hit the knee. I want you to focus here again on those abs. Twist and twist. Keeping the elbows wide helps us go a little bit further. Exhale as you twist. And go at your own pace. A few more. Nice job. Okay, wide stance. Both arms are coming out to the side. We're going to bring one arm in, and then we're going to reach, twisting the torso towards the other side. Here we go. Bring it in, twist and turn. Whole time here on the left side. Bring it in first, twist. Reaching towards that other hand, and a little punching, twisting motion here. Here's where it's going to get heavy. We're about halfway there. Exhale. Inhale. Woo, those shoulders, I know it. You can always drop the weight if you need to. And relax. Shake it out. Next, we have the same thing on the other side. Now you know what to expect. Make sure your weight is in your right arm. All right, here we go. Bring it in. Twist towards the other side. Try to make it 2 motions here. So here's the first one. Bring it in towards the chest, then the twist and the punch. Check that posture. Shoulders down and back. Tummy in. One more. Nice job. Okay, let's put the weight in one arm again, the other arm that we didn't just work. I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see we've got 3 reach and pulls with the knee drive and 3 tricep kickbacks. Here we go. We're gonna pull 1, 2, 3, step back, kick back, 2, and 3. Reach it up. Here we go. Pull. 2, 3, tricep, 1, 2. Keep that elbow high. Reach it up. Add the knee. Step back, tricep, 1, 2, and 3. Reach and pull. And extend. Same thing, other side. Shake it out. Step back in a staggered lunge position. You start with that reach, arm reaching forward, shoulder down. Here we go. Pull. 2, 3. Step back, triceps. 1, 2, and 3. Extend the arm. Elbow high. Reach it up. Tricep. And reach. Breathe, guys. Step back. And shake it out. Okay, going into the left hand, working the biceps. We're going to swoop it over to the opposite shoulder. Take it out to the side, palm up, and then with a little lean. So we swoop to the shoulder, swoop out, little lean. Again, making sure that core is engaged here. So we're using the obliques, sides of our waistline, to tip over and pull ourselves back up. Small bend in the knees. Same thing, other side. Switch that weight into your right hand. Reaches the other shoulder, out to the side with our lean. Here we go. Keep that core engaged and make sure you're breathing. Last one. Excellent. Weight is coming back and holding with both hands on the sides. And we're going to do a high knee raise with the elbow 3 times on the right. And then we go 3 times, join me, on the left. Good. You can hold the weight up high or you can hold it here at your chest. Really just want you to get this crunching motion right here on the waistline. If you hold it higher, it's going to be more challenging because we have a longer lever. Get those knees wide out to the side. Focus on crunching from those abdominals. Like a quick one. Last move, we're going to take the arms out to the side. We're going to pass and back to the other arm, out to the side, come down, pass in front. If you are not able to pass and reach the arms together behind you, we're simply going to pass in front. Arms come out to the sides each time. So we pass and lift, pass and lift. Let's switch direction. You got it. I know those shoulders. They're screaming. We're going to get them so nice and strong. And I have a few stretches for you after this that are well deserved. Put your weight down. Nice work, everyone. Roll those shoulders down and back. A little shake it out. Removing that lactic acid. Okay, right arm goes up, reach it nice and high, and then side bend all the way over. And release it down. Left arm up, inhale. Exhale, side bend. And release it down. Let's pull the right arm in front, pulling it nice and close to the chest. Relax the shoulder down. And same arm, let's bring it up. Elbow towards the ceiling, reaching down, crawling those fingers down your back and assisting with your left arm. Feeling a stretch in that tricep. Good, and let's switch sides. Gently pull that elbow up, fingers reaching down your back. Release both arms to the side and then pull that left arm in for the shoulder stretch. Shoulders down and back. Hug it forward. Nice deep breath in. And on our exhale, let's shake it out. Arms come forward. Flex them, fingers towards the floor, palms towards me. And then if you can, lace the fingers together and then push away, straightening those elbows. And reach it up. Inhale. Exhale, we lower down to the side. Same thing to the back. Clasp the fingers if you're able to. Straighten the elbows. Shoulders down and back. If it's comfortable for you, you can lift ever so gently up. Again, feeling a great stretch in the shoulders, biceps, and chest. And we shake it out. One last stretch just to release any pressure in that lower back. Chin comes up, hands on the thighs. We're going to roll it down, leading from the chest, sticking the hips back, and then tuck the chin round the back. Rolling up. One more time. Chin up, roll it down nice and slow. Hips come back. Tuck the hips, tuck the tailbone. Round the back, nice and slow. All the way up. Finish with the shoulders down and back. Set your posture for the day. Inhale, arms come up. And exhale, release. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick arms and abs workout. Let me know how you liked it in the comments. I love hearing from my viewers. And give the video a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.